Today, I'll be showing you how to add sound to an animated logo. I'll be using the animated logo I created in my last video.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Let's begin by taking a look at my subscribe animation. There it is. The first thing I want to do is locate the audio track that I want to use. I'm using a sound effect from an Intromate template. It's located in my iCloud drive. I'll bring it down into the first audio track. Then I'll play the video to see how it sounds. I can use the first part. So I'll slice the audio track right after the first waveform by tapping on the scissors icon to cut the audio track. And I'll remove the part I don't want by tapping on the trash can. Then I'll move it into position. And play the video once more. That sounds good. I want the sound effect to play twice, once as the logo appears, and then again when it disappears. So I will move the playhead to the point where the subscribe logo first begins to disappear off screen. And then I will duplicate the existing sound effect and place it right at that point. Just tap the duplicate icon and drag the duplicated audio to the right of the playhead. Play the video and see how that sounds. The sound effect works, but the animation is too slow. I need to speed it up, so I'll double tap the video clip, open the clip editor, tap on speed in reverse, and move the slider to 2.00x. This will speed up the animation and allow the sound effects to be more in sync with the video. I'll play the video to show you how that sounds. That's what I want. Now I'll save this clip by tapping the export icon, tapping movie, and choosing a destination. I'll choose iCloud Drive since I'm going to use this in all of my videos. Then I'll give the clip a name so I can find it easily. I'll tap the export icon once more. There's the graphic in an actual video. What do you think of it? Once the movie is written, choose the folder where you want to store the clip and tap Add. The clip is now added to iCloud Drive. To use the clip, add it to your imported folder. Tap the icon on the right and select iCloud Drive. Here, you should see all of your files. Tap on the file that you want and it will download and appear in the imported window. Tap on the clip, long press and drag it down to a video track above the spot in the video where you want the graphic to appear. Next, you'll need to remove the blue screen so that you can see the video track underneath as well as the graphic. To do this, tap on the clip, tap Colors and Effects, tap the chroma key icon, the little key in the upper right hand corner, and choose the blue screen key. Once you do, you'll see a bunch of values that you can adjust. Move the sliders back to the white dashes for each value. These are the recommended values for this key. When you do, you should be able to see the video track underneath perfectly, as well as the subscribe graphic. If you want to save the preset, tap on the star and give your preset a name. Doing this will allow you to apply it quickly to any footage that is similar to the footage that you're working with now. Once you're done naming your preset, tap the star in the right-hand corner and the preset will be saved. Tap the reverse arrow to go back to the preview window and the main project. Play the video and you'll see the graphic appear, but you'll need to resize and reposition it in the bottom left-hand corner. To do that, tap on the clip to open the clip editor, tap on Frame and Fit, and then tap Size and Position. Move the graphic to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and resize it. You may need to play the clip until you can see the graphic, just as I did. You can use the sliders for size and position, or just pinch and zoom to move it yourself. Choose whatever works best for you. Then hit the reverse arrow once more and play the video again. The graphic should now appear in the proper position. Keep watching, thanks so much, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.